Sorry?
I do not consent. I do not wish to contract with you, and I do not.
You do not consent, you do not wish to contract with me, and you don't answer questions? Alright, turn your vehicle off for me. Can I get 94? I got a sovereign citizen. Turn your vehicle off for me.
I am not that. I'm not calling
10-4. Ma'am, can you turn your vehicle off for me? Alright, listen to me. I know you don't answer questions, but you're going to listen to what I'm going to say. If you don't open the vehicle door and you step out and you turn the vehicle off, I'm going to break the window and I'm going to take you out of the vehicle and I'm going to take you under arrest. Okay, you understand that if you don't comply with what I'm saying, you are going to go under arrest?
Did I commit a crime?
Yeah, 10-4.
Did I commit a
Like I said. All right, one more chance. All right, I'm going to have her 10-15. I need 94 because she closed the windows on me. I'm going to break the window. I understand that. It's a female driver telling me that, and I'm going to break the window and take her under arrest. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
No, kidnap me.
I'm not going to
Because I
kidnap
have
you.
a fee.
Listen to me.
No.
Listen to me, ma'am.
kidnapping.
You're going about this the wrong way. You're just going to get a citation. You're about to go to jail for resisting. You understand? So step out of the vehicle. Ma'am, I don't want to use force against you.
At the tone, please record your message. When you
Ma'am,
finish recording, you may hang up. Or
I don't want to use force against you. You understand that, right?
leave a callback number, press 5.
Ma'am. Okay. Turn your vehicle off, ma'am. Open your vehicle door. Open your vehicle door. Step out of the vehicle. I'm breaking the window. Open the vehicle door.
I do not wish to contract with
You are under arrest. At this point, you have no say.
you.
Open the vehicle door.
Where's the
Open the vehicle door. You're under arrest for resisting. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. You are under arrest for resistance. Step out of the vehicle, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out. Step out of the vehicle. Yeah, break it.
I have fees for these fines. Millions of dollars. You guys are going to be sued as hell.
Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased. Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get tased.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle.
You're kidnapping me.
Step out of the vehicle. I don't want to hurt you. Step out of the vehicle and do what I say. Step out of the vehicle. Get behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. You want to play games? Now you're under arrest.
You guys are sued as all.
Yeah, that's fine.
No crime committed.
Yeah.
Is 4 available?
What do you think? I just got back from Venice.
Simple as hell. You should have just complied.
You guys are screwed.
All right, ma'am.
You're screwed.
I'm going to help you.
This is your last day
I'm
on.
going to have you step up.
This is
Go up
your
here, bud.
last day.
Stand up.
Clear or 10?
All of you. Brand new car. You guys are
Copy. 10-3 clear on Adam 2. 10-3 clear on Adam 2. 10-3 on Adam 1. Have a seat. Vector 5, Stormy 1071. White female conscious breathing, operation.
Press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press 4. Sorry you're having trouble. Your message has
You have her ID and
Please
stuff?
try again later. Goodbye.
Alright, I got it. Passport card. Passport card. 1 Vector 3, I see. Yeah, 29 check for white female by name, date of birth. First name is Melissa. Was she trying to record or something? This phone was talking.
I don't know.
Sounds like
I think she was trying to call her lawyer. I really don't know. You're under arrest for resisting and whatever else. I can see what's left on the vehicle. Your vehicle is going to get towed. You have the right to remain silent. 15 seconds will be used against the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him present before the question. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed representation before the question if you wish. Take the signing time to exercise your rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each other's rights that I explained to you? All right. Got rescue coming to check your cuts. Then after that, going to jail.
So she has a valid Florida license. I don't know where it's at, but
Unreal.
got the passport card.
All she was going to get was a citation. Hey, how's it going? She's in here. Yeah. She just had probably glass rash from getting her outside the vehicle.
Oh, okay.
She was bleeding a little bit, but I didn't.
Okay.
Yeah. Rescue can check you out. This has nothing to do with your constitutional rights. It's up to you to refuse.
How you doing? What's hurting you right now?
nothing.
Nothing's hurting? Can I take a look at your back? I'm just worried. You got some glasses and you got some scratches and stuff going on. How you feeling? You
Fine.
short of breath or?
No.
Okay. You were right with me just taking some vitals and
No, you don't need to.
You don't need to?
I don't wish to consent.
Okay.
I don't want to
All right.
contract with you.
No,
Okay.
I understand. No, that's fine. You don't have any medical problems you need us to evaluate you for or check out? Okay.
You good?
All right.
Pass representation.
You didn't hit your head or anything like that? Okay. You mind giving me your first name? Your name at all, or?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. I'll talk to the officers then to get a little bit of information. But if you have any medical problems, just let us know and we can help you out with that. Okay. All right.
Documentation says if driver is owner seized tag,
Exactly.
correct?
Yeah, so we can't take it
Right.
because I think her husband is, but she's not the register owner.
She's not a registered owner on the
No.
vehicle. Just run that by Steve, our traffic guru.
Yeah,
Make
let me
sure that
call
we're-
him.
Make sure we're compliant with what we need to do as
Yeah.
far as the state is concerned.
Yeah.
But
Have the insurance card.
No, she didn't provide none of that.
Okay.
so inventory the car, make sure we have
Yeah.
documentation to photograph it. But
Yeah.
all right.
All right, your vehicle's being towed by Talon Towing. And the firearm that's in the car is going to go to Venice Police. You can recover it after you get out of jail.
That's my wife. Where did you kidnap her? For what?
Stay in the car and leave the traffic stop, please.
I'll back up 25 feet, Fur.
We don't have to talk. Just go home.
What? Nobody gave you permission to search that
Don't
vehicle.
worry about it. Get out of the scene. That's fine. Get out of the scene and go home.
Hey, I'm out of the scene right now, buddy.
Yep, that's fine. You can record over there, across, whatever you want.
I will.
Just go home.
I don't have to go home. Don't tell me what to do.
Have a good day. All right.
I don't answer questions, Kyle.
Yeah. Are you driving?
I don't answer questions.
I don't care.
Pull me over then, bitch.
Yeah, I will.
Good. You do not need the driver's license.
Yeah. That's why your wife's going
Personal
up.
conveyance. Hey, she'll be out. Let me see.
Well, I'm gonna have to stay here with my partner because I might have a second arrest.
Your incident updated.
Just ignore him. Just ignore him.
You want to call off that we're with him, though?
I'll be right here.
Where's the car going is what I'm asking.
Just ignore him. I'll let him know. Just. It's going to talent towing. We'll give her a copy of it.
Where can I pick her up at?
Sarasota County Jail.
Which one?
Sarasota County, 2020 Main Street.
All right, how long do you have?
Just give it about 6 hours or so. Okay. Hey, they're going to give you a copy of where the car's going. So if you want to wait real quick. I got a feeling that was her husband because he came in hot. I was like, either this car doesn't see that we're there or he's family. Oh, since he's the owner and he's present, we can cease the tag now. Hey, your vehicle has a cease tag order.
Excuse me?
Your vehicle has a cease tag order from the state.
What's that for?
So since you're present and you're the registered owner, I'm taking your tag. Just letting you know. Put your hands on the steering wheel so we can give you paperwork. Thank you very much. Just keep them visible. I'm Officer Montanez, Venice Police Department.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry we're meeting this way.
Yeah.
It's not the way I wanted to meet you. Can you roll down the window so the officer can give you paperwork?
That window didn't go down.
Window doesn't go down. Can you? She's just gonna give you paperwork. We're not interested in nothing that's in the vehicle.
Oh, it ain't my vehicle. Thank you.
Have any questions?
So that is where the vehicle's gonna be at. Okay. You have any other questions for us? It's called Talon Towing.
Talon.
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 Yep. The
Where are they
address
at?
is down there at
Venice,
the bottom. Yep. Right there in Northport.
Pan American.
Yep.
Okay.
Pan American Boulevard.
What'd she get pulled over for?
Huh?
What'd she get pulled over for?
I don't have to tell you that
Okay,
information.
just curious.
But as long as you comply, I'm good. Okay? Expired registration for 2 years. Cease tag order from the state. The only thing she had to do was give me her license. I would have given her a citation, and we would have left. She decided to make things difficult, and I didn't want to go that route. That was her decision, not mine.
Sounds
Okay? Any other questions?
good. No.
All right, sir.
Appreciate
Free to
it.
go. I got 3 citations. I have to inform you. So one is for registration expired since April 2024. Second, failure to exhibit your license upon the demand of a law enforcement officer. And the third, for no proof of insurance. If you showed at the time of the traffic stop that you did have insurance, that citation will be reduced to $10. You gotta go to 4004 South 10 Miami Trail, or you can also go to SarasotaClerk.com to get information. There's also a phone number on the citation that you can call and speak to the clerk office. All the options how to take care of the citation comes from step 1 through 6 at the rear of the citation. I will will tell you your charges as soon as we get to jail, but for now, I got you for resisting without violence and failure to comply with a law enforcement officer. And only you would have gotten just a citation.
And I'm getting you for assault, kidnap.
Yeah, that's fine.
You're-
Yeah.
I'm not a sovereign citizen either. It's an oxymoron. Can't be sovereign and a slave at the same time.
Okay. We're not in the
Too
court.
stupid to know that.
We're not in the court to argue.
Your jurisdiction.
Which
You're a
is what
policy
you wanted to do
enforcer.
since the
You're a
beginning.
policy enforcer.
Your beliefs are your beliefs.
Yep.
Can't argue
It'll
with
come
your
true.
beliefs.
You'll see. It's not a belief. It's facts.
Okay.
You'll learn the hard way.
Okay.
A routine traffic stop, an expired registration, and within minutes, a woman is in handcuffs, a window is shattered, and everyone walks away more entrenched than when they arrived. This incident isn't about paperwork or citations. It's about identity. It's about what happens when someone feels their autonomy is threatened and decides that compliance equals surrender. The key lesson here is simple but uncomfortable. When we turn a moment into a battle of principles, we often lose far more than we're trying to protect. From the very beginning, I do not consent. I do not wish to contract with you. You can hear the script she's operating from. She's not responding to the officer as a person. She's responding to an idea. And when people feel ideologically armed, they don't see negotiation, they see war. To the officer's credit, he gives clear, repeated instructions. He explains consequences. If you don't comply, you're going under arrest. He even says, I don't want to use force against you. That's an attempt at de-escalation through transparency. He's setting expectations. That matters. Clear boundaries reduce uncertainty, and uncertainty is gasoline on fear. But here's the turning point. Around the moment he announces he's breaking the window. Once force is threatened, both sides lock in. Her language shifts to "you're kidnapping me." That word choice is powerful. It reframes the officer from authority figure to criminal. And once someone believes they're being attacked, even legally, their brain flips into survival mode. Fight. Flight. Freeze. She chooses fight, verbally and passively. You've felt this too, maybe not in a patrol car, but in an argument where someone says, you have no say. That phrase alone can ignite defiance, because humans have a deep psychological need for agency. When that feels stripped away, we cling tighter to whatever control we have left, even if it's just refusing to answer questions. Now, what went wrong? The biggest mistake wasn't the expired registration, it was escalation through identity protection. She had 3 choices: comply and contest later, partially cooperate while documenting, or fully resist. She chose full resistance, and resistance without leverage is just friction. The officer, while largely procedural, does show moments that could have been handled with more emotional calibration. You want to play games now? That's frustration slipping through. It's human. I've seen this pattern before when professionals feel challenged. Ego can creep in subtly, not explosive, just sharp, and sharp edges cut trust. But look at the math. She was facing citations. Instead, she's facing resisting arrest. The officer even tells the husband later, all she had to do was give me her license. That's the tragedy of escalation. Small problems grow teeth when pride gets involved. Notice something else. Even after glass breaks and she's bleeding slightly, she continues, I do not wish to consent. That consistency tells us this isn't about emotion in the moment, it's about belief. And beliefs tied to identity are incredibly resistant to change. When someone says, it's facts, not it's my opinion, they're signaling that discussion is over. Then the husband arrives, hot, confrontational. That could have spiraled further. But here, officers do something right. They redirect. Just go home. They don't take the bait. That's restraint under pressure. powerful, simple, memorable. So why does this matter for us? Because most conflicts in our lives aren't about the surface issue. They're about control, respect, and identity. When we feel disrespected, we dig in. When we feel unheard, we get louder. And when we feel powerless, we resist, even if resistance costs us more. Think of conflict like quicksand. The more you thrash to prove you're right, the deeper you sink. Sometimes the smartest move isn't to win the moment. It's to survive it strategically. Here's what this means for you. If you find yourself in a situation where authority, or even just another person, gives you a directive you disagree with, then pause and separate the short-term tactic from the long-term strategy. Ask yourself, is this the hill I need to die on right now? If you're in a heated argument and you feel your chest tighten, then slow your breathing for 3 seconds before responding. That physiological reset keeps your thinking brain online. If someone says something that feels disrespectful, then respond to the behavior, not the insult. I'm willing to cooperate, but I need clarity. That phrase preserves dignity without escalating. And if you believe you're right, legally, morally, personally, then document, comply where safe, and challenge through the proper channels later. Courtrooms are for arguments. Traffic stops are for procedures. The person who controls their emotions controls the outcome, not because they're weaker, but because they're strategic. Next time you feel that surge of defiance rising, when someone tells you what to do and every part of you wants to resist, ask yourself, am I protecting my freedom, or am I just protecting my ego? And what is that protection about to cost me? If this shifted your perspective, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And tell me, when was the last time pride almost made a small problem much bigger?